The next tool is the pattern option, which allows you to create copies of selected features. So we can see an example of that's performed on this particular circular plate with the hole that's been cut out. We can see under the details we have these particular options here listed: linear, circular and rectangular. So we can select the pattern type, and which is these items here. We can select the geometry, which is the base geometry for the patternation, and we can specify some of the options for copying to allow Design Modeler to understand how these features are going to be patterned out into the remainder of the body. So we need to specify things like direction, the axis, the offset distance, etc. So here's some examples of some of these pattern types. So in terms of linear, it will just allow us to linearly copy out the features in a particular direction. Here we specified an offset of 2.5 meters and 2 copies, so we can see them copied out here. The next option is the circular, which allows us to have a circular pattern for all of the features, so they're evenly spaced, and we have 5 copies. So this is just as we would create, for example, for a flange section where the bolts would pass through these holes. And then the third option is rectangular, which is similar to linear, except we extend it into another dimension. So we have 2 dimensions here, direction here and direction 2 here, and we have offset and copy options for each of those directions. So we end up with a 3x3 matrix of holes in this circular plate. The next